Hello, dear friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a very nice Scandinavian Christmas fabric star. So, maybe so many of people have seen this star, this Scandinavian shape of the star, but today I'm going to make in this beautiful two Christmas colors, which is green and red. So you will need about 3 centimeter wide strip, and you will turn it and you will make it 1.5. You will take two strips, red and two green. So it's up to you, you can change the type of the fabric. So I'm taking this fabric because it was available at home. So if you take more thin fabric or cotton, and it will be more easy for you to make this star. So you will press these strips, and it will be very easy for you to turn it and make a star shape. So let's press this one also. You will press all the four strips, and then we will start making. So let's put the strips together. You will fold the red strip like this, and you will put the green strip on it, and you will put one strip inside the green strip, and you will close it like this. Make it double. And now we will take another strip and another red strip. We will put it like this. In opposite side you will put, and you will open it. And later on I will take another green strip also. I'm putting the red strip inside the green strip. So let's fold it like this. And one is opposite and one is right, you can see. So this is a very easy step, although it doesn't seem easy. So let's make it. So you will take the third strip, which is the green strip, and you will also fold it and insert it in down strip, red one, and then insert it in another one as well. So you will make it tight, and you will make a square with these four strips. So you insert the green strip like this, and in the down one as well, the red one. Now we have a square. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this green one inside like this, and I'll make it tight. You keep making the strips tighter, and it will make a beautiful square. That's how the star making process will begin. So let's put the red strip in the green one, and you can see now it's making very beautiful square with different colors. 1 2 3 4, red, green, green, red. This is a beautiful square. So let's start making this beautiful Scandinavian star. So you will make a square like this, and then you have to be very careful. You will press this square. So my fabric was little thick, and it was little difficult, but I wanted to make green and red star. So let's press it. You can use more thin fabric if you want. That will be more easy for you to make it. So I'll turn this green strip first, down one, and then the right strip I'll turn it upside like this. Then I'll take the upper green strip down, and then this green strip will go inside the green strip like this. So this is the process, second process. You need to watch it very carefully. So this made another square. So now I will start making the star shape and star corners. You will press it very carefully. You will turn the strips downside like this. Turn it, make a triangle like this, then turn it again, and then you will cut the extra part, and then you will insert it in this square. So this is the process I'll make the star corners. So you have to keep pressing. You have to press because it will give a very nice shape. After making this corners, you have to glue it. You have to apply hot glue, or it's up to you, you can sew it as well. So if you don't want to sew, it's nothing wrong in it. So you will insert the strip in this square, in this green strip. So that's how it will make the star corner. So one corner is almost done. You will make the strips tighter and it will start making the star corners. One corner is done. Let's make another one. So I'll make another one by twisting the strips. Keep pressing and it will give a very nice shape and it will not move. If it's moving, you can use hot glue or you can sew it. It's up to you. So let's turn this strip this side. Make sure your corners are turning right side. These are the opposite sides. One corner will be in right side, one star corner will be in another side, so opposite sides. So let's press it again. Let's turn it and make a triangle, and let's cut the extra part and insert it in the square. So keep remember this process, and this will make a really beautiful star. So after making these corners, you will finish it, you will keep pressing. So my fabric is little thicker, so I'm using hot glue, so it will be very easy for giving it a right shape and it will not move. These corners will not move, so I'll press it again and hot glue will melt and then it will be very nice and good shape. So I hope you understand this process and it's ready. And now I will make a hanging hook. So you take any thread, anything. I had this available. It's a thread, it's a strip, so I'm using and I'm applying it backside of the star. So it's ready, almost done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more amazing crafts and activities. Thank you so much. Bye bye.